Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into fly.io, deploy global applications step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in fly.io and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. After entering your credentials, look for the login button and click on it. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your fly.io account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address in the prompted field to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the reset email and follow the instructions provided. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click Login once again. Now that you are logged in, you can deploy global applications using fly.io services. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. You are now ready to start deploying your applications globally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.